Good morning, children. Now I'll start up Political Science Unit 1, that is meaning and importance of political science. So, in general, what is political science? In general, when I say it's a part of your social science subject, right? So, what is this politics? Politics means you say, ah, madam, Rajkiya. Now, what is going on? In Mandya, you see there is collision between Kumar Swamy and Sumalata. Of course, we like both of them. They are doing good job. So that is different. So when you are hearing, hey, Dela Rajkiya, now we are taking vaccinations. We are going to hospitals, your parents and many others will be going to hospital. Hey, ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. That is different. But in detail, when you are learning political science, what is this? See, suppose if I ask you, what type of government we are having in India? Yeah, it's a democratic type of government, ma'am. And we all go for voting. We do elections will be conducted, and then we are voting and we select our leaders, isn't it? So these all happens, ma'am. But now what is in USA? It's also a democratic country. But here we are having two, like prime minister and president. But there it is direct elections, like they directly go for voting. So only president is the head. Like president only will be elected by the people. Here, prime minister is the directly elected by the people, and president is indirectly elected by the MPs and MLAs who are being elected by the people. So here, so different type. Now when we go to China and all, it's a communist country, and other countries, they are all having different type of government. So how we come? By studying political science and the way of ruling, the way of administration. Okay, each and every government, like democratic type of government, is having different kind of rules and regulations. Now if you take up other countries, each country has its own way of administration, right? Suppose we say here, hey, in India, ma'am, to punish a terrorist it takes 20 years, okay, to directly. But if you go to Arab countries and all, directly there and there itself. In other foreign countries also, we don't keep the cases pending. They don't keep the cases pending, and it won't prolong for long time. So when we come judiciary andre kanun. So when we take up India's, it's prolonged. We take up so many things, and sometimes we leave them. We give them like mercy and let them go. So in this way it prolongs. And whereas if you see anybody teasing a girl in Arab countries and all, immediately you will be arrested, and your punishment also will be given by the police there and there itself. Yeah, 2 months like that. But here we go to police, and then police will take us to court, and there also sometime it will run. Then we'll have to pay the penalty. Sometimes the girl who has taken that pain only will be made to pay the amount for the lawyers and all. So there and all, it is not like that. If you have teased a girl and it is a what a crime, so that time immediately 2 months jail, put him. Next, no, like no, he cannot talk anything. So there, so like this different way of administration, and what you call in different countries, different governments, and how this has come, and what are the future activities the government will be doing. All this will come under the political science. It deals with so many things, okay, like the type of government, the type of administration, and how are its plans, like the past how it was, present how it is, and the future how, what plans it has undertaken for the development, and how the citizens are, what are their duties. All this is dealt in political science. So what is political science? So political science is one of the social science subject. It deals with political activities of man. Okay, now it is based for a country, you can say. It gives so many activities of the countries. Now in this pandemic situation, we can say India, how it is, the present current situation is like vaccination. Everybody must be vaccinated. So we come to know how it is dealing with the situation, what activities it is conducting to eradicate this COVID situation. So all this is the activity. So currently every country is very fast in what you call, they are working on this one. So that was a past. So from the past, how it has come and how it has become the subject, the history about political science is how it deals with the government and all, that is a political science, and it is a part of social science. So from where it is, who invented this political science? So this was actually, it is believed that Babylonians, Egyptians, Babylonians, Latins were the first one to learn about this subject. But at this one, who made it mandatory to learn about it systematically? They were the Greeks. They were the Greeks who started learning it systematically. Okay, and there were many great political thinkers, political science thinkers. Who were they? They were Socrates, great political thinkers. So they were Socrates, then Plato. Plato was a follower of Socrates, right? And his student, Aristotle. Okay, so who were the great scholars and thinkers of political science? They were great thinkers. Who were they? They were, they were Socrates, Plato, Aristotle. Again, I am telling you, who were they? Socrates, Plato, Aristotle. And of them, Aristotle is known as father of political science. Aristotle is called as father of political science. Okay, Aristotle is known as father of political science. So when we take up what is political science, it is a subject, one of the subject of social science which deals with the politics of man activities, activities of political activities of man and the government, okay, origin, from where it has come, which state first started, about its activities, all that is dealt in the, and it is like it, we come to know, we understand all these through the subject of political science. So earlier they were the people who started, Egyptians, Babylonians, Greeks, Latins. So but they started, but Greek made it as a very systematically, they started learning it, studying it, and and many great thinkers of political science were Socrates, Plato, Aristotle. Of course, many later on came, many great thinkers are there. Indian thinkers are also there. And now Aristotle, among them, who was a student of Plato, is called as father of political science. Now, what are the importance of political science? Importance of political science. So here the importance is that we come to know about, we can study, that is it helps in, we can understand, the birth, growth, of the country, or states, both is same. Okay, it comes. So now we are seeing through politics, the political development of India, how the Britishers came, how they left us, how we got the freedom, isn't it? All this is a political developments in India, and in 1947, how we got the freedom and what were the problems later on. All that we come to know in political science. Then also it gives the information about structure and functions of government. Very important this is, right? It gives structure and functions of government. So our government, isn't it? What we are having, three organs, that is legislature, executive, then judiciary. What is this legislature? In the legislature, elected persons are there, MLAs, MPs, all these, and they bring out in their legislated houses, legislature houses like Vidhan Sabha, Parliament, and all. They'll take our problems, people welfare, everything is discussed here. And later on, when they make it as a rule, it is executed in the government. So government authorities will be there. Now you see IAS officers are there, police IPS officers are there, police is there. Police and courts and all will come under judiciary. If they go wrong, if they are going against the rules and regulations, they are they are being punished under the judiciary. Execution means The government implements so many rules and regulations which every citizen have to follow it, right? So here with this one, it what it does, it gives the structure. So what is our structure? Here we are having government, we have under it we are having three organs like legislature. I am talking about India. We have legislature, execution and executory and judiciary. So legislator is we are having all the elected members in which one they will put out the problems of the people and the welfare development, everything is planned here. Then later on in the execution body, who is the execution body? That is the government. Like we are having police, administration like IAS, IPS, all they are under that one. That is fully administration. Clerks we have, government clerks we are having educational institutions, all this. And in this program is being executed. And next in judiciary, when someone doesn't follow the system and rules and regulations, he is being supervised by them and then again taken into, they take action on that person. So these are the three organs of our government. And next here, and it also we come to know about the type of government in that particular state. Type of government in the state or country is same. Next we come to know about the, in understanding the organs I told you already. Next is it helps in good leadership, it helps in raising, helps in good leaders and good citizens. Okay, next is, it also says about the knowledge of political science, leader, civil servant. We get knowledge about politics, then politics and this one nature and good citizens. Okay. Okay, knowledge about the political, it raises good leaders, then we can find out who are good reasons, and citizens' duty. Okay, all that information can be taken in this studies. So when we study this, we come to know about the systems of the government, about the duties of the citizens, how they are bonding with each other and how it is coordinating, and how with coordination the government is administration takes place. All this will by studying the political science will come to know. Next is political science. Please copy down all these points, children. Next, political science deals with the ideologies. Ideologies means different, like we have so many political parties. So different ideology is there. Congress is having different ideology. BJP has different ideology. But at last it has to follow our constitution, rules and regulation. It cannot go against that one. But they have their own ideologies. So political science helps us political science helps us to understand the importance of political parties, then involvement of people, then how they are dealing with each other, and how they keep peace and peacefully, how they are working without and smooth functions of the government, and different ideologies of different political parties. Like Congress will have different ideologies of working in the government. Like government is having separate rules and regulations. Our constitution is having, it is framed with full of rules and regulations that no political leader, whoever he may be the prime minister or president, nobody can abide those rules and regulations. Okay, apart from it, the Congress, BJP, Janata Dal, so many parties are there. They will be having in India, I'm talking. So their opinions, their ideologies will be different. So in that way only, taking these rules and regulations, they'll be working for the development of the country. So many things, new ideologies are implemented, and they take it, consider it, and but overall they work for the people, for the development of the state. How it is, we understand how each party is working, how major prosperity is there of the country. And in each country, maybe now see, Trump was there earlier, he belonged to different party, and now Biden is there. And now how they are working, and which regime, what prosperity the country got it, all that can be analyzed through the study of political science. Okay, next is, and that's all children, we don't have much here. You have to know in this lesson like how political science, what is political science, what are its importance, and who were the great thinkers of political science. That's it children. Now with this, I will give you some home assignment number 3. Please copy down the questions, and I'll end up this unit. Okay. So in detail, you will be learning in higher next units and all, no, how the administration, everything about the state, central, all that you will be learning in the next units which are followed. And next, now you just copy down home assignment number 3. So one small, like I'm feeling like giving you, other than question answers, one activity I will give, that is, yeah, you collect information about few political parties. You just, this is an activity, just if you want you can write it in one paper and submit it. You can write in your home assignment only one paragraph about one party, how they are ruling. Don't something, it should be solid information. Don't write on your own something and all, in if you are in favor of some of the party, don't write useless things and all. What are their ideologies, you just write in 2 sentences, that's it. Few political parties, write two each of them. Suppose now, what if you are taking one of the party, I won't name the party, so they will tell, yeah, raita devro raitar bagge, so they will form farmers, they are giving importance for farmers. What are their ideas, how they are going to improve them? So next maybe the one another party, their ideology may be to take up India to some extent, like trading, business, and all. Maybe their first importance, or another party's first importance may be the, of course, the poverty development. That is, poor people must be, poorness of the country must be eradicated. So what are their schemes? What they have planned? So such plannings you can write of each party in four sentence, and it should be very solid one. You have to search and then write it. So with this, children, I end up my this unit also is end up, and next in the next class I'll be going to geography first unit, and explanation will be given, and moreover your notes also will be sent through PDF system, and you have to copy it very neatly. And one more time I am just alerting you to do the work, whatever the study tasks are given, like home assignments, writing notes, or any activity given and all. That day's work, that day itself you have to finish it off. Otherwise lately if you come, and then if you are taking for the past and all, then you'll be lagging behind, and lot of confusion you'll be getting. So that's why, children, you complete your work on time. That is, that day itself you try to complete it. And this activity also you have to write 4 sentences about each political party in India. Okay, any 3 political parties you can take over and write. So this is also one of your home assignment activity. Okay, and we will be taking the average, how you have completed your classwork, how you have completed your home assignment, study task, all that together, your activity marks will be given. Okay, thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.